We're doing a little traveling today by train on Where Do Steam Trains Sleep at Night by Brianna, Caplan, Sayres, illustrated by Slade. Really good illustrations in this one, Christian. Where do steam trains sleep at night after puffing down the tracks? Do their moms steam up hot cocoa for their just before bed snacks? That'd be a pretty good bedtime snack. Where do snowplow trains sleep after all the tracks are clear? Do their moms say, "Plow your toys, kids, bedtime's almost here"? Looks like they're cleaning up a sock monkey and a snowball. Where do passenger trains sleep once they've dropped off girls and boys? Do they fill their seats with teddy bears and cuddly bedtime toys? Look at that stuffed penguin. Where do freight trains sleep at night? When cargoes reach its destination, do they rest on Daddy's flatbed as he chugs them home to the station? Oh, looks like they're passing bison. Where do monorails sleep once their one-track trips are done? Do they sway to sleep on sky-high tracks beneath the setting sun? Look at that pretty sunset. And I see some palm trees. Looks pretty nice. Where do fire trains sleep when they're heroes of the hour? Did Dad hose them down with water for a special bedtime shower? Look at that little shower. Where do breakdown trains sleep once they've put engines back on rails? Do their dads rock them off to sleep with thrilling rescue tales? It'd be hard to sleep with a thrilling rescue tale. Where do trolleys sleep at night after shuttling through streets? Do mama trolleys ring their train bells for a lullaby soft and sweet? That's more soothing. Oh, look, the moon's come out and some stars. Where do subway trains sleep once they've reached their final stop? Does the street become their blanket, a quilt of city lights on top? Wow. Do trains gather in a roundhouse or a freight yard or a shed? They don't sleep atop a mattress. The tracks become their bed. But they have a special blankie and an oh-so-bright nightlight. They sleep beneath the crescent moon and a sky of stars so bright. Wow, look at them all. Look at their friends. Where do your trains sleep at night when you've drifted off to dreamland? Well, maybe all your choo-choos are fast asleep in Steamland. Look. They're in bed, and their trains are asleep, and their little conductor is asleep. Well, he's going to sleep. The end. Really good one.